Okay, so I'm sure you all are doing well, and the topic which we are going to discuss today is what are the important topics which can be asked in the chapter Electrochemistry in the board examination. I'm sure you all must be studying very hard, and please bear in mind that the physical chemistry topic is quite scoring, and if you solve the entire questions of the exercise, you will get a good touch of it. 95% you will be doing very well. Now let's come to topics. Firstly, the difference between the electrolytic cell and the chemical, that is galvanic cell. You have to do at least two differences. Then we talk about Daniell cell. How does it function? What are the conditions when the E external is applied opposite to the Daniell cell's current flow? Those three conditions which are mentioned in your textbook. After that, you talk about the Nernst equation, that is E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 upon n log products upon concentrations of the reactants ratio. Please go through it, it's very important. And numericals, yes. Please learn how to calculate the E naught cell, which is very easy. That the formula delta G naught minus NF E naught. Delta G naught is equal to minus 2.303 RT log K. 100% one or two numericals will be there from this chapter. Then the Faraday's laws of electrolysis. In this, you have two laws. The first one, which talks about the W is equal to ZIT. Then you talk about what is Z, electrochemical equivalent, which is equal to E upon F. So that whole formula becomes W is equal to E upon FIT. Right? The second formula, the second law, W1 upon W2 is equal to E1 upon E2. This is the second one. Then you talk about the electrolytic cells. What are the products of electrolysis? This is the last question of your NCERT textbook. The chapter electrochemistry, please go through it. What are the products of electrolysis? That can be asked, and it will be from the textbook itself. Then you have the numericals on all the formulae which I told you. Apart from that, batteries, go through all the reactions, especially the lead storage battery, the hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. These are the two most important ones. Then you have the corrosion. A short note on that can be asked. How can you avoid corrosion? How can you prevent corrosion? And can a given reaction be possible? The values of E naught will be given to you. For example, if I give you two values of E naught as minus 2 and minus 3 volts, so which one is cathode and which one is anode? So of course the more negative, that is minus 3 volts, that becomes the anode, and the other one becomes the cathode. So the chapter is very scoring. There is another point where is resistivity, resistance, conductivity, conductance, lambda m. All those terms should be pit-pat. The variation of lambda m with respect to dilution, that graph is there, so please go through that graph. Can be question on that. The questions on calculation of lambda m, the numericals, and basically there's nothing much to be memorized here, only practical and application based questions, and I'm sure you're going to do it very well in the board examination. So all the best, do well.